Welcome. Before we talk about luxury, we must talk about life. It all starts here.
Efficiency is circular. Our transport systems are designed to keep the herd moving without stress.
Nutrition is automated. Every gram of feed is calculated to ensure the absolute health of the animal.
A calm environment produces a superior hide. We prioritize peace above all else. Hygiene is non-negotiable. Automated sanitation keeps the facility pristine around the clock. We see what the eye misses. Technology monitors the vital signs of every single life. Data is our language. Every heartbeat is recorded to ensure optimal welfare.
Security without restriction. The harness ensures safety during the transit phase.
The flow is constant. From the barn to the next phase, the transition is seamless.
The farming chapter closes here. Now, the industrial transformation begins.
We enter the chamber. Here, the resource is harvested with speed and utmost respect.
Zero waste. The meat provides sustenance for families, while the hide remains for its own distinct purpose.
Separation. The skin begins its own unique journey towards transformation and durability.
Water levels are optimal. We are ready to purge the impurities.
The first bath. We wash away the dust of the fields to reveal the pure fiber beneath.
Agitation. The paddles ensure the water reaches every pore of the hide, preparing it thoroughly.
The chemistry of change. We alter the protein structure, arresting decay and granting immortality.
The reaction is alive. This foam tells us the critical process is working deep within the fibers.
The tumble. For hours, the hides roll in the chrome solution, undergoing the profound metamorphosis into leather. Emergence. They come out wet blue, stable, preserved, and ready for the next stage of refinement. Pressure is the first step of drying. We force the water out, solidifying the bond between the fiber and the tan. The excess leaves. What remains is the pure substance, stripped of impurities. Ascension. The leather leaves the wet phase and rises toward the heat.
Into the fire. Controlled heat creates the final structural bond.
The wind sculpts the drying process, ensuring moisture evaporates evenly from every pore.
1 degree makes the difference. We hold the line at perfect heat.
Air drying allows the leather to relax, suspended in space, untouched by any surface.
The kiss of flame. Singing removes the fuzz for a smoother, refined finish.
The byproduct of the burn is captured immediately. The air remains pure.
Dry and stable. The moisture is gone, leaving a blank canvas prepared for finishing.
We shave the back to ensure uniform thickness across the entire piece.
The excess weight is stripped away to reveal the supple core.
Cleanliness supports precision. Even the floor is maintained by automation,
Refining the shape. We remove the jagged edges of nature to create industrial uniformity.
Clean lines. This makes the final cutting process efficient and wasteless.
We capture the dust of creation. The environment remains sterile.
Buffing creates the velvet touch. We sand down microscopic imperfections. Nothing remains but the skin itself.
pure and polished.
Even the waste is managed with respect. It will find a new purpose.
The structure is complete. Now, we prepare to add character and color.
The base coat seals the surface. Automation ensures the layer is microscopic and even.
We build protection without losing the feel. The robot never misses a spot.
The mixture is exact. The flow rate is steady for this batch.
Heat and pressure. The tools of the embosser are ready to write on the skin. We imprint the texture that will define the look, a pattern of durability.
From a flat surface to a work of art, the texture is now permanent. The heat leaves, but the memory of the pattern stays forever.
Adaptability. We change the design in minutes to meet global trends. Shine or matte. The finish is determined right here.
To set the beauty, we must cool the material down. Stabilization. The fiber relaxes as it returns to room temperature.
The stiffness vanishes. The supple nature returns to the hide. Placement is key. The brand must be perfectly positioned. The seal of quality. We sign our work with pressure.
Authenticity, a mark that cannot be erased.
Traceability. Every piece has a digital identity code.
Precision and measurement ensures fair value. We sell by the exact foot. Quantified. The size is logged permanently in the system. Stacked and ready. The finishing batch is complete.
Moving to the final phase. The hide is finished, but the product is just beginning. The laser finds the flaws. We map the surface to maximize yield and avoid scars.
Mark this area. The machine will cut around it.
Optimization. The computer calculates the most efficient path to save material. Speed and accuracy. The blade dances through the leather. The harvest. What remains are the components of luxury.
A clean cut. No fraying, perfect dimensions.
Organization. Every piece finds its place. The components gather, ready for assembly or dyeing. Even the scraps have value. They will be repurposed. Reset. The machine waits for the next canvas.
We introduce emotion. Color is the language of the leather.
Saturation. We blend until the color is deep, rich, and absolutely uniform. Immersion. The leather drinks the color. Variety. From crimson to navy, we cover the spectrum. The color must be locked. Heat sets the pigment.
We rinse to ensure the color stays on the leather, not the customer's hands. Baking it in, the finish becomes permanent. A river of color. The factory floor comes alive.
The match is exact. The tone is perfect. So,
Vibrant, durable, ready. The library of leather. Miles of material waiting for purpose.
Compact and protected. We roll them to save space and prevent creases.
Wrapped in paper. A layer of protection for the journey.
Tagged and logged. We know exactly where this roll belongs.
Movement.
The inventory is constantly flowing.
Automation retrieves the order. Safe and efficient.
A pallet for the world, ready to ship.
Secured. The load is stabilized for transport.
The gate opens. The factory sends its work out.
loaded. The transfer is complete.
On the road. The raw material has become a commodity.
The destination. This is what we worked for.
Feel the grain. It tells the story of the process.
Durability, durability, and style. Built to last.
Strength in every stitch. The material holds true.
Our mark, a symbol of the journey.
Ready for the customer.
The cycle is complete.
The machines rest, but the quality remains. We built this to last.
Tomorrow, the cycle begins again. From the herd to the hand, this is our story. Authentic, resilient, ours.
The rhythm of the process guides the flow.
Red, rich, and vibrant.
Black, deep as the night sky.
From vast hides, we now have precise inventory.
We bind them together.
Order is essential.
The components move like rivers.
Technology meets tradition.
A clean cut. The edges are cauterized and precise.
some shapes still demand the human hand.
The blade is an extension of the artisan's will.
These pieces, once part of a whole.
Every component is a promise.
From the cutter's edge to the embroiderer's needle.
The stage is set.
Here, the leather receives its soul.
Every thread must fall exactly.
The dance of the needles.
The flat pieces now take form.
A straight line is a strong line.
From simple pieces, complex forms emerge.
The handle is the touch point.
From hide to garment. The flow of materials is constant. The touch of the engraver. Yeah. The belt, a symbol of connection and strength.
The hardware is the jewel.
Every detail shines. The pattern emerges.
Stitching binds the future.
The final lock.
The shoe takes shape.
A promise of comfort.
This texture demands respect.
Hats. Not just for covering.
The edge must be soft.
Gloves that fit like a second skin. Gloves that fit like a second skin.
From raw hide to elegant handwear. Function and form.
Small treasures.
Protection for modern life.
The rivet holds. The mark of distinction. Strength in every seam.
from individual pieces, the complete form emerges.
Every metal piece is chosen for strength.
For life's essential journeys.
The shoe molds to the form.
Each stitch defines the character.
From raw material to finished footwear.
Texture, color, and a flawless finish.
No part is wasted.
The gleam is the last touch.
Even the offcuts are respected.
Automated sorting ensures efficiency.
The mister goes there now. The machines handle the volume.
From the factory floor, back into the cycle.
The remnants leave, ready to be reborn.
And here, the journey culminates.
From the earth, through skilled hands, a legacy is forged.
This is more than leather. This is our story.